Habari za jioni. We are suffering. We are not suffering, we are suffering. But and I came across a certain food which I has never eaten. It's called octopizzo.
Octopus.
This is octopizzo. Wow, I've never tasted it. It must be very sweet too. She has decided to mount it. How is it? It's nice, eh? Wow, this is nice. Nice.